If we think about coughing, this is the main and sometimes the only symptom in people with, for example, asthma, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, cystic fibrosis, and some other conditions. What is known about breathing of these people when they do not have any problems with coughing? These medical studies found that people with asthma, COPD, cystic fibrosis, and other respiratory conditions breathe about 2.5 times more air than the medical norm at rest when we do not have any problems with coughing. We lose too much CO2, and carbon dioxide is very important for healing of our airways, for normal work of our urge to cough receptors. These people have reduced amount of CO2 in their airways, and that causes irritation of their urge to cough receptors located in airways. And therefore we have chronic problems with coughing. Apart from that, heavy breathing or hyperventilation reduces oxygen level in body cells. When oxygen level is reduced, the cells respire anaerobically without oxygen. That generates free radicals, and therefore the immune system gets suppressed. There are indeed medical studies found that cell hypoxia or tissue hypoxia has a profound negative effect on the immune system. It suppresses the immune system because instead of fighting viruses, bacteria, and other intruders, for example in the lungs and other organs of the human body, the immune system gets busy with repair of the damage created due to free radicals due to cell hypoxia. Therefore, it is smart, in order to prevent coughing, first of all, to learn how to cough correctly. There are simple breathing exercises that can be used in order to stop coughing much faster, up to maybe 3-5 times faster. It involves learning how to cough through the nose, and later even how to stop coughing so that you actually do not breathe at all. You close your mouth and you close your nose and you try coughing without CO2 losses. That improves oxygen content in the body cells, and that improves state of the immune system. But it is even more important to learn how to breathe correctly 24 hours per day, so that you have high body oxygen content 24 hours per day all the time. That is going to also increase CO2 level in airways and to calm down the receptors responsible for coughing. When people with certain conditions like asthma, COPD, and some others breathe through the mouth, for example at night, they have greatly reduced nitric oxide concentration in their airways. For those mouth breathers, so-called, nitric oxide concentration is reduced, and that causes spread of pathogens of bacteria in airways, that causes inflammation, infections, and worsening of problems with coughing.